I just got done making a delicates video for the delicates washer cycle video. I just put them in the dryer. What I'm gonna try to do is I'm gonna start the dryer and put it on delicates, and I'm gonna do a little more dry because the washer didn't spin the clothes well, so I've never done that. But anyways, I'm gonna do like, it won't let me do any higher heat, but I'm gonna do more dry. And I'll start it, but I'm gonna see if I can find a place to put the camera outside and see and show you what the dryer vent looks like when it turns on. So I'm gonna go around here. It's cold, but not as bad as it has been. We got like a random storm today while I was at work, a lot of lightning. I was like, oh, I was all excited. Oh, and if you're wondering, you see that pipe right there? That's the tube for the dryer vent. So like the dryer's kind of just around there somewhere. Oh, it actually goes around here too. I forgot about that. It goes like behind all that, as you can see right there. I don't know. And it kind of comes along here and then comes out with the dryer vents right on the other side of there. So I'm gonna see if I can find a place to set up this phone and show you the dryer vent while it turns on. So I'm gonna see if I can find a place for it will work. I'm gonna try that. Yeah, okay. Oh, and hold on. There's the moon right there. Okay, anyways. Alright. I'll be right back. Okay, so hopefully you should see that. Yep, it's on. Kind of thought that'd be cool to show as it turns on. So I'll let you get a good look at that. I've done videos of this before, but it was so cool to see. It needs to be cleaned, but my dad's like, oh, it doesn't need to be. I'm like, yes, it does. But anyways, I'll be right back. I'm gonna turn it off and turn it back on again. Alrighty, well, that's kind of what I wanted to do. I've never really been able to be out here and turn the dryer on, so it's kind of cool to see. Yeah, that's our dryer on my dad's house. I'll try to do that at my mom's house sometime too. I'll try to like find a place to set the phone and turn the dryer off and on. So I'll do that sometime. Let me go back in the garage, or back in the laundry room and show you the dryer real quick then while in the video. But I kind of wanted to do this. It's something fun in my opinion. This is like the second time that I've done this, but the drawer is like super loud because of the zippers on my jacket, so. And there's like a little tube behind there, as you can see. It goes behind the washer and then goes that direction. I'll turn the drum light on. There we go. Interesting. Anyways, I hope you all enjoyed.